Yo, 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 what's going on out there, you guys? It's your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson, man, shooting another video for you guys. As you can see, I got this new gaming laptop, so we're gonna get right into this game. Show you guys what I got going on, how my gameplay works. There's my guy Franklin. I'll take him in here and let him say something so you can see his mouth too. Check this out. I don't know if you can see that, but I got him slugged up in the mouth, Gucci bag on. Look at this gameplay, man, amazing. In the description, I'll have a video for you guys for 5 tips you should look at when it comes to getting a laptop, what you looking for to play games on the laptop, because these was things I didn't know, man, so I had to learn this kind of stuff as I got on this journey. And look at that, I mean, just amazing, man. It made a heck of a difference. You know, a regular laptop only has like 2 core processors, and these gaming laptops have a quad processor. That means, you know, 4 of them, or they could have more than 4. But it's a must, man, if you're going to be gaming on your laptop, because you don't want it freezing up, man. Yeah, this is my first time playing this mod. I just got this mod on here. I'm going to go with the families. Ooh, look at that. It's 3 hoods with that family. I'm going with you, bro. Oh, and then you can change his look from there. That's what we'll do. DNFG smashing in the off branch, y'all. We up in here, man. I wonder if I can still do my God mode and get all my weapons. I don't think so, nope. But we on here, repping the block. What is that? What are you just coming in our hood for, bro? Come on with all that. Get your tail back. Look at our map, y'all. Okay, we green right here. That's Grove. We got Ballers and Vagos. Dang, we ain't far at all, y'all. We right here near it all. Even got the green bike. See, I got them car mods going through here. Bubbles, Lax, still got that going on, man. We about to make something happen. I really want a green ride. Oh, I think I can call a crew to roll with me. Who's shooting me? Oh, they did drive-bys. See him in the station wagon? How am I supposed to know that's them? I think this might fill me up anyway. We got police coming. It's hot out here, y'all. I'm gonna get on the bicycle. Take it old school. Let me roll up out the hood real quick, man. Ooh, they giving me the business. Look at them, man. I'm taking your car if I get up and I get you. What's up, partner? Oh, they already done laid you out. We'll take this back to the hood then. Oh, but anyway, like I was saying, I think I can, yeah, okay, I can. Let's recruit the homies. Cause they tripping. Let me get back in my hood. Damn, now I got the boys on me. This is not gonna be a good day for me today, guys. We're gonna make this better. It will get better in due time. Let me roll up out of here real quick. Incoming ballers drive by. They on that bull crap, man. It ain't safe. It is not safe. I gotta get my homeboys. I was trying to wait. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to just wait and call it. Is that a green one? Right there. That's the hood right there. Dang, why them bumpers like that? I gotta take them off there. Family, we robbing the liquor store. You down? Yeah, I'm down, bruh. Wow. Yeah, I'm down. Dang. It took too long to respond. I didn't have time to. Look, too much going on, man. It's tight, though. I'll bring this over to the guys for them to check this out. They're going to really enjoy this. Let's see if we load back up, get one more better move in here, man. I'm going to try to recruit about 3 dudes. And shoot, we're going to do what we need to do. We're going to see what happens. Now, I do know a few people said they was having problem with the infinity loading screen when you die. So, we're going to see how that goes, because that kind of looks like that's what we got going on right now. Like I said, for those who don't know, I'm a figure hustler, Wade Jackson, man. I'm building a brand off Don't Box and Bubbles, man. Really, I'm building a community with Donks, Box, and Bubbles, so I felt like this game was just an amazing game that you could do so much. You've seen the old schools on here and things, so why not build a community off this game right here? And I think they are right. There was something they said to do to get this off, but I do not know. I think they said, look at that. Ain't that amazing, huh? Just died again, huh? I can't even see that. Well, you guys, looks like I got another bug to figure out again. And I believe you me, I will get it finished. I mean, I will get it figured out. I always do. But man, that ain't right. Did that happen from personnel? Game center. Turn game mode on. Need that on anyway. And this mug was running fast without that even on. Yeah. Looks like I'll have to end this video here because I'll have to go back and figure out how to do this. So But get on up out of here, you guys.
Alright, thanks a lot, sir. 9:45. Good Monday morning to you. I hope you had a good weekend. We enjoyed some sunshine on Sunday. We're back. It looks like cloudy skies, or at least patchy fog here in central Indiana.
Messing up my gameplay, man. We was almost there. Day late in the dollar show.
Still rather cloudy at times. Still out towards Cotton Prairie, downtown Indy, up towards Windfall. I still think as the day wears on, we'll more get a little bit more sunshine. That heavy coat, the gloves, the hat, you'll need all that as your checklist heading out the door to begin our Monday morning. I mean, it is frigid out there.
So I end up going back to this GTA 5 mod website where there's the mod I put on here, and I'm in the comments. I see a few people are having trouble right here. Infinity loading screen. That's what I got. Every time I die, I get stuck in the loading screen. How can I fix that? Thanks. And the only thing I see on here so far is add menu, and they spell menu MENYOO. I seen that it's another trainer, so it says download menu. So I guess I'm gonna try that, kind of see what's going on, and we'll see how my gameplay go in the next video, man. Continue to watch me like you watch TV, man, and we'll see what happens, guys. In the meantime, I'm just going to exit the rest of this video out by just doing what I need to do, and we'll see what happens.
And the work that these guys put into the songs here. Tell me a little bit, is it during class time? Is it after school? Or is it it's a little bit of both. These guys do rehearse in class every day. It's like basketball group of 20 students, probably the top musicians in their school, and they rehearse every day.
Yeah, this modern stuff is cool, but you just simply never know what you'll run into, man. You never know what you run into. Dang, I want that music producer's mansion. Let me get back to business. What I'm really supposed to be doing. So many mods on the site, man. So many mods. Okay, this is plus 8. F8 Robin game. I'm just looking to see if it usually has a way to install it. I don't see anything. This is a trainer mod menu. This mod requires the latest GTA 5 patch. So, okay, that's what I'll have to get to. That maybe that's why. Because sometimes this menu would freeze on me. But I remember one time I downloaded it and it didn't freeze on me. And now I see why it didn't, because last time I had downloaded that patch. So that's what we'll do too. We'll wait for this to pop up. If you don't see nothing pop up, then you just click right here. And it says your download will begin. More stuff popping up. Flying apartment. UFO. Oh, here we go. Click save. I click save because when I just click run on this computer, it just says partial download. So I click save. So I got that, and then I just go up here and look for the GTA 5 patch. See. See you guys later, man. Make sure you get that offer on that free dunk sticker, man. Support keeping the dunk culture alive. Indianapolis Mental and All-Male staff specializes in treating these common issues with men, just like you experiencing ED and other sexual health-related issues.